In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install OptiFine in Minecraft 1.21.4. First, you wanna go to Google Chrome. I'm just gonna open a Google Chrome here. Okay, let me bring it here. Then you wanna type in OptiFine. After you type in OptiFine, go to this website and go to Downloads, and then click More. So show all versions. Now what you need is to find 1.21.4. so to find that, you simply have to scroll down, and okay, this is the one. As you can see, 1.21.4. so let's see here. Okay, click download and wait for this to be removed first, and then skip, and there you go. So it's 1.21.4. so click download and it should download very quickly. Let me just close this. So this is the installer. I have like ran the installer. You basically click install and it will say OptiFine is successfully installed. After this, you can go ahead and try to launch Minecraft and you will have OptiFine installed. Let me show you here. Okay, let me close this. So when you open this versions tab and click here, you should be able to see it over here, 1.21.4 OptiFine. So let's run this. So let's wait for this to run. Okay, as you can see, this is the one. So when you go inside any server like this one or any world, you will notice a better improvement in the the lag. Like you will have less lag and smoother games. So you will also have this ability to zoom in, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you here in a few seconds. Okay, it's loading now. As you can see, I can zoom. So the zoom option comes with the OptiFine, and it's a much smoother game. So that's it. As you can see, if you go to the options, you will see the more options that are provided to you. That's it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.
Narrator